Bellagio. The box content: transparent acrylic board, double black acrylic board, double platter, motor plus fixing screw plus detachable power cord, accessory and parts box, plastic stroboscope, instructions and warranty certificate. Insert the titanium threaded bars supplied in the accessory and parts box into the transparent board threaded holes. The threaded bars must be fit 10 mm lower the bottom side of the transparent acrylic board. Apply the fit. Reverse the transparent acrylic board with the bottom side up and screw down the aluminum fit supplied in the accessory and parts box till they get in touch with the transparent acrylic board. Once you position properly the rubber rings on the upper side of the threaded bars, insert on them the aluminum tube bar covers present in the accessory and parts box. Screw down the head ball-shaped spring supports present in the accessory and part box on the tip of the threaded bars. The head ball-shaped spring support must be screwed with the larger side direction to the bottom of the turntable. Considering the front view, screw the right spring support circa 5 mm up to the level of the tip of the threaded bar. Screw the back spring support circa 8 mm up to the level of the tip of the threaded bar. Screw the right spring support at the same level of the tip of the threaded bar. Fit tightly the springs present in the accessory and part box as down as possible on the three head ball-shaped spring supports. Simply lay the double black board on the three springs. Be careful that it properly fits into its holes. Put the motor cylinder into the left big hole of the double black board with the AC power cord 3-pins connector turned to the back side of the turntable. Screw it to the transparent bowl with a stainless steel Allen fixing screw supplied into the slot. The slot may be used to center the motor into the double black bore motor hole. Connect the detachable power cord by passing the 3-pins connector to the proper hole of the transparent board. Install the drawing pulley by pushing it straight into the motor spindle. Adjustable aluminum pulley. Insert the pulley into the motor spindle. Screw its two Allen bolts with the Allen key supplied. Pay attention to center the pulley at its best. Once you have slightly wet the spindle of the platter with the oil jar present in the accessory and parts box, fit it into the centric hole of the double platter. Install the double platter into the bronze bearing on the black board, waiting to let the double platter goes down at the proper height. The height of the double platter is adjustable by screwing the green screw at the bottom of the bronze bearing. Install the belt supplied on the lower platter of the double platter. Turning with the hands the platter, pay attention to see if the pulley spins concentric. Otherwise, having the drawing pulley, adjust it with the hand, gently pulling the bended sides. Having the adjustable aluminum pulley, Find the centric rotation by screwing more precisely its two Allen bolts. Install the tip of the record center square on the upper double platter hole. Check the speed of the platter. Only for turntables have the adjustable aluminum pulley. Check the speed with the plastic stroboscope supplied. To adjust the speed, screw clockwise or anti-clockwise the internal cone of the pulley using simply a coin. If you use a Blue Note tone arm or a Rega standard one, install the out-of-axis hole adapter present in the accessory and parts box. If you have a SME tone arm, just use the arm board already mounted on the double black board. Adjust the tone arm VTA and the cartridge following their proper instructions. Level the turntable. With the supplied level, level the double platter and the turntable with a proper tubular spanner 11 mm large by screwing clockwise or anti-clockwise the head bolt-shaped spring supports. During this operation, slightly handle the double black board to avoid any spring stretches. Complete the installation. Install the aluminum and brass spring hole covers handling the double black board. Install the pulley aluminum cover. Pay attention to center into its slots the platter belt. Enjoy the music.